Seed starting is an essential skill for every gardener, offering the opportunity to grow a wide variety of plants from scratch. However, it can be a daunting task for beginners. In this comprehensive guide, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of successful seed starting, from sowing the seeds to transplanting healthy seedlings into your garden. Get ready to embark on a rewarding journey as you watch your seeds germinate and flourish into thriving plants. 1. Choosing the right seeds. Selecting high-quality seeds suited to your climate and growing conditions is the first step to successful seed starting. Consider factors like plant variety, germination rate, and days to maturity. 2. Gather the essential supplies. Create a dedicated seed starting area equipped with the necessary supplies, including seed trays, seedling pots, a quality seed starting mix, labels, and a watering can with a gentle spray. 3. Timing is key. Understanding the appropriate time to start seeds indoors or outdoors is crucial for ensuring optimal growth and transplant success. Consult a planting calendar or the seed packet for guidance. 4. Preparing the seed starting mix. Prepare a well-draining and nutrient-rich seed starting mix to provide the best environment for germination. Sterilize the mix to minimize the risk of diseases. 5. Sowing seeds. Learn the proper techniques for sowing seeds at the correct depth and spacing. Different seeds may have specific requirements, so follow the instructions on the seed packet. 6. Providing adequate light. Once the seeds have germinated, ensure they receive sufficient light to promote healthy growth. Consider using artificial lights or placing seedlings near a sunny window. 7. Watering with care. Maintain proper moisture levels by watering the seedlings gently and consistently. Avoid overwatering, as it can lead to damping off and other issues. 8. Thinning seedlings. As the seedlings grow, thin them out to provide adequate space for each plant to develop fully. This step prevents overcrowding and competition for nutrients. 9. Fertilizing seedlings. Once the seedlings have their first true leaves, start feeding them with a diluted liquid fertilizer to provide essential nutrients for robust growth. 10. Hardening off and transplanting. Before transplanting seedlings into the garden, acclimate them gradually to outdoor conditions through a process called hardening off. Transplant the seedlings into prepared garden beds or containers and monitor their progress. Successful seed starting is a rewarding process that allows you to nurture plants from the very beginning of their life cycle. By following these steps and providing the right conditions, you can enjoy healthy, vigorous seedlings ready to thrive in your garden. So, get your hands in the soil and watch your seeds transform into vibrant, productive plants, bringing beauty and abundance to your gardening endeavors.